We are going to start from the scratch. Okay, means how to import the surface, how can we analyze that one, how can we create feature line, how can we create the alignment, how can we create the profiles. Okay, simply I want to import a surface. Then simply go to the home taskbar, click on the points, then click point creation tools. Okay, then click here import points. Okay, then click here plus button and select the file which we want to import in our civil 3D in our civil 3D. Okay, we have here PENZD file. Open, select the format here. The PENZD file we have selected here, and now click here, click here, and give the name to your points group. POINTS points group 1. Okay. Then okay. Then okay. It will take some time to import all the points here in our C3D because there are so many points. Simply click Z enter, E enter, zoom, expand. Now our points are appeared here. There are so many points we have imported as a group. Cut that one. Now we are going to create a surface. Simply go to the Toolspace and click on surface, right click, create surface. Give the name. Suppose EG our surface, EG surface. Okay. This is our EG surface. Plus button, click plus button, and then go to the points group. To the EG surface, go to the points group, right click, add the points group 1, which we have already created. In the starting, click that one, apply, and OK. Wait for some time. Okay, this is our surface. Click on the surface, then right click, object viewer. Okay, this is our surface which we have created here. Okay, no need to show these all points here, that's why I'm going to freeze that one. Okay, this is our surface. Now in the starting I am going for the grading. Hello Muthu and Visant. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You both know about the land development? Anything about the land development?
I didn't know
No, not
this.
land development. I'm not worked.
Land development means suppose this is our full area, means topo area here, and we want a area which we are going to grade and land develop for the land development, which is going to be used in further in the future. Suppose a building area, society area. Okay. For the land development, we are going to grade. Okay, the grading is used for the land development mostly. Okay, this area we are going to use for the land development. Okay, there are so many easy surfaces are here. This is our 159 uneven surface means 159, and here is 142. Yeah, 133. These are 135. We are going to use the FGL as the mean elevation. Okay. Suppose so many indolents are here, na? That's why we are going to use the mean elevation. Suppose this is 158 and here is 142 and here is 138, means that we can use 150, the FGL. Open the properties, select the polyline. This is 146. Leave this one 146. Okay. EG surface we have already created here.